Well, welcome to my update. This is my turntable installed. This is the controller that I have painted in a zebra fashion, I suppose. And here is the turntable itself. Pretty much completed. I have walk around real quick. So I have installed these different runs for different engines. I put a tunnel in so I could put a longer engine into that wall over there. I put in an area for civilian vehicles to give it the look of activity. And so let's go over the other side. So let's call out that Union Pacific over there. And we'll pull him out on the turntable. So. And then we just turn the table where we want it. Now the table is noisy, but it's not terrible. And then off he goes. So now we'll go ahead and call up the next engine. So we move to the turntable, the Bachman motorized turntable, over into the position for the next engine we're going to run. And it would be